Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete or how to make the background transparent of any image. So for that, go to File and select on Open as Layers. So any editing we do on Gimp, we basically do it in layers. So click on Open as Layers. So I'm going to select the image. So now that I've opened this image, the first important thing to do is to add an alpha layer to this image. So for that, click on the layer and select add alpha channel. So now that we have added the alpha channel, now I'm going to cut this tiger out and make the background transparent. So for that, click on free select tool and press Ctrl and scroll in to zoom in, and now select the desired shape. Okay, now that I've completed the selection, so go back to the first point where you started and click on it so it completes the selection. Okay, now that we have selected the tiger, so I have to make this background transparent. For that, I have to invert my selection. So click on select and click on invert. Now the background is selected. Now press delete. So you can see now that the background has become transparent. So another important thing is to save this in PNG format. For that, go to File and click on Export As. And here select File Type. Scroll through till you get PNG and click on PNG. So, just a minute. Okay, export it. Okay, now we have exported this as a PNG file. Okay, now open the background image. So again, open it as layers. Okay, now I have to overlay the tiger on this image. So for that, I need to open that as well. So go to File, select Open as Layers. So I'm going to select the tiger which I previously edited. So now I have to overlay this. Now you can see that the background of the tiger image is transparent. So to move this, go select on Move tool. Now you can move this layer wherever you want. Okay, now you can even change the color balance. So go to color and select color balance. Now you can definitely change to your preferences to match the background. And so if you want to change the size of any layer, you have to go to here, right click and select scale layer. So here you can just adjust the size of the layer and select scale. So the size of any layer can be changed that way. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and please like and subscribe to my channel.